Attribute grouping. In this video, we'll explore how attribute grouping can help you better organize and manage product data, especially when working with a large number of custom attributes. Attribute groups allow you to structure user-defined attributes into logical sections. Let's start by creating a few additional attributes to see how this works in practice. We already have an attribute called warning or caution. Now we'll add a reference type attribute that points to the precautionary statement field from the general information section. This field is related to GHS hazard statements. We also have an existing reference attribute linked to brand series. Let's now create a new select type attribute named use, which refines the product series. We'll add two values, PRO for industrial, heavy-duty use, and DIY for standard home use. Now that we have enough attributes, let's view them on a sample product and fill in some values. For use, we'll select professional. For the GHS hazard statement, we'll choose P102, which means keep out of reach of children. As we can see, attributes appear in the order they were created or sorted by name or ID. This makes it hard to spot relationships or structure among them. To bring clarity, we'll use attribute groups. Attribute groups are flat, meaning there's no hierarchy between them. Each group has an ID, a name, and a list of attribute IDs assigned to it. Let's create a group called warnings and add the attributes, warning or caution, and GHS hazard statement. You can reorder attributes within a group by simply dragging and dropping them. Now let's create another group called line and add series and use. Just as with attributes, you can also reorder the groups themselves. Let's move line to the top of the list. Now let's see how these changes look on a product. In the All Products view, under the Attributes tab, we can clearly see the groups and their attributes, displayed in the order we define. If two groups share the same name, their attributes will be merged under that shared label. In more advanced scenarios, we can use conditional attributes. This means showing certain attributes only if a specific question, a logical attribute, is answered in a particular way. Let's add two more attributes. First, a logical attribute that asks whether mounting is required. Then, a numeric attribute for the number of people needed to perform the mounting. Now let's return to the attribute group configuration. We'll create a group called mounting. We'll set the question to be the needs mounting attribute. If the answer is yes, two attributes will appear: mounting time and number of people required. Now we have three groups, one of which is conditional and only displays attributes when the condition is met. Attribute groups can also be configured with separate lists of attributes for positive and negative responses. Let's go back to the product view. Here's the third group we just created. Let's enter edit mode. When the answer to needs mounting is no, the related attributes are hidden, but when it's yes, we can edit and enter their values. Attribute grouping is a powerful way to streamline product information management. And with conditional logic, you can dynamically control which attributes appear at the product level, showing only the relevant attributes when they're needed.